In this video, we provide an overview of the organizational units in sales. Various organizational units interact in the sales department of the SAP system, working together to enable the mapping of sales processes. They form the basic organizational framework on which all relevant sales and customer service processes are based. The highest level in sales is the sales organization. It is responsible for the sale of products and services as well as for handling sales processes. A sales organization is usually assigned specific products, regions, or business areas. Below the sales organization is the distribution channel. It defines the channel through which a product or service is distributed, for example, wholesale, retail, or online distribution. This allows different sales strategies and conditions to be mapped for each distribution channel. Another important organizational unit is the division. It is used to group materials or services according to product areas, such as electronics, textiles, or services. The division structure enables companies to control their sales processes more precisely and serve different market segments in a targeted manner. The combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division forms the so-called sales area. This determines which materials are sold in which form and which conditions apply. The plant also plays a central role in sales. It determines from which location a product is delivered. Since plants can also be subdivided into storage locations, the connection between sales and logistics becomes apparent here. Finally, the shipping point plays an important role in the logistical handling of the delivery. It defines from which location the goods are shipped to the customer and thus controls delivery and transport. The shipping point is closely linked to the plant, but is not one of the sales units such as the sales organization, distribution channel, or division. While the sales units control the sales processes, conditions, and market segments, the shipping point ensures that the physical delivery runs smoothly. A practical example illustrates how this works. A company sells T-shirts through its online shop. The sales organization Sales Germany is responsible for sales. The distribution channel is online retail, and the division is textiles. Together, these units form the sales area through which all conditions for sales are controlled. The T-shirt is delivered from the Berlin plant and shipped via the Central Warehouse East shipping point. In this way, sales and logistics work hand in hand to sell the goods correctly and deliver them on time. In summary, the organizational units in sales mesh together like gears. Each level takes on a clearly defined task, and it is only through this interaction that a smooth sales process is created. From the sales organization to the shipping point, it is ensured that products can be offered in a customer-oriented manner and delivered reliably.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.